Another special type of view that is used quite a lot, and we see it in this example here. If I open up the drawing sheet, we have what's known as a detailed view. And a detailed view is like a zoomed in version, just on a particular area of a sketch, just to show some kind of hidden details that may not be caught initially from the eye by just glancing at it. So we want to bring that to attention. That's that little chamfer that's right in along here. Not overly obvious, could be easily missed, but beautifully shown here through this detail view. And again, SOLIDWORKS has made that very easy for us. We can go up, we can go detail view here. And what detail view is, it allows you to sketch a circle around the area you want, and it'll pull a view from that. And sometimes you just have to be careful with your circle in that, you see when I do this here, you know, I've just given it enough, oh, didn't mean to do that, and the circle there, I've just given it enough to cover the kind of zoomed in variance that I want. If you had made that circle bigger, you know, you're including too much you know, unnecessary area. So I'm just going to map out that circle again. So we're going to take that view, and then you can place it wherever you need to place it. So we're trying to highlight, we've got the section, we've brought it up to scale, and you can even make it a bigger scale if it's still not showing you what you want. So you can use a custom scale. Sorry, that's making it smaller. User defined. Make it 2:1. Brings it up again. And then from that, what was the detail it wanted to put on? It wanted us to put on this little note here about the chamfer. So how do we add in notes? How do we add in a chamfer dimension? Well, that's brilliant. We can show that here. Well, we use our smart dimensioning tool. But you see, if we go just apply a smart dimension, we're saying, yeah, that angle there, it's just giving me the distance. You know, if I make it there, it gives me the angle. It's not quite what we're looking for. Now you could give it in 2 dimensions, but that's not really the neatest way to put a chamfer. If we go with our expanded view here, we can go right down, look at this chamfer dimension. And we need to give it 2 clicks, so one at the angle and one with our reference point. And you'll see there, distance of 45 degrees. So we can put that in, we're happy with that. And we can come out of smart dimensioning. But again, if we look at what we're asked to produce, we've a wee note in beside it, chamfer 1 millimeter at 45 degrees. So we go in, we just don't have that. Well, what we can do is we can edit it. We can edit the dimension here. So we can say our chamfer 1. What else was it asking to put us in? Both sides. And you can add in all these little symbols here. You see them, degrees, diameters, if you need it in tolerances, whatever way it needs to go. You can put that in there, and you can edit from that. So it's very useful, very useful. So that's a quick couple of things. Just on detailing views and adding little notes into the video or into the drawing.